Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an affiliation letter. What is an affiliation letter? An affiliation letter is a formal document written by one organization or individual to establish a partnership, collaboration, or affiliation with another organization. It typically outlines the terms, conditions, and expectations of the partnership and expresses the desire for a mutually beneficial relationship. Affiliation letters are often used in various fields, including business, academia, and nonprofit sectors, to formalize agreements and collaborations. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an affiliation letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write full name. Under it, write your job position in the company. And write the name of your company. In this example, the letter is written by Executive Director from Bayou Conservation Alliance. And then, write the address of the company. You need to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. For the next, write the date of the letter. Here, you can use the format of month, date, and year. And now, write the information about the recipient. You need to write their full name. Under it, write the occupation or job position in the company. And write also the name of the company. In this example, the letter is addressed to the President of Gulf Coast Environmental Coalition. Under it, write the address of the company or office. Yes, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After writing these information, you can open the letter with a salutation. Simply write Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, this is where you do an introduction. Yes, you need to clearly state the purpose of the letter. And here, express your interest in affiliation. For example as, I am writing on behalf of Bayou Conservation Alliance, to express our interest in establishing an affiliation with the Gulf Coast Environmental Coalition. In the provided letter, this paragraph introduces the sender as Bayou Conservation Alliance. And this company representative expresses interest in affiliating with the recipient, which is Gulf Coast Environmental Coalition. Besides that, you need to talk more about collaboration of your company with the recipient's company. In this case, you can write a brief reason why you want to do it. For example as, you can write something like, we believe that a collaborative partnership between our two organizations would be mutually beneficial and contribute to our shared goals. In the second paragraph, this is where you talk about complement and alignment. Yes, it is highly recommended that you complement the recipient's organization. Here is the example. The Gulf Coast Environmental Coalition has a commendable track record in wetland conservation and environmental advocacy. And make sure you also emphasize the alignment of values and goals. For example, this aligns closely with the values and objectives of Bayou Conservation Alliance. By having the same goals, two or more companies can work together in partnership. In the provided letter, this paragraph acknowledges the recipient's track record. The letter also shows the writer's company's alignment with the sender's objectives. The writer told the recipient, "We are impressed by your commitment to preserving the unique ecosystems of our region and addressing the challenges they face." Show how confident you are in this two companies' partnership. Talk about all the positive things that may come when you two collaborate. In the third paragraph, let's talk about proposal and areas of collaboration. Sure, this is where you propose the idea of affiliation. And when you do it, don't forget to mention specific areas of collaboration. For example as, we propose exploring opportunities for affiliation in areas. They are such as wetland restoration projects, environmental education initiatives, and advocacy for stronger conservation policies. Yes, just write the areas based on your need. Sure, you can modify this template. In the provided letter, this paragraph suggests exploring affiliation opportunities in wetland conservation, education, and advocacy. And here, the writer told the recipient, "We believe that by pooling our resources, expertise, and networks, we can achieve greater impact and advance our shared mission to protect and restore our precious coastal environments." This paragraph should be able to give a big picture what the affiliation looks like, so the recipient understand what you want in a clear image. In the fourth paragraph, you can talk about your openness to discussion. A proposal without discussion is bullshit. Therefore, offer the recipient to meet and talk deeper about this. Of course, it is a must that you express eagerness to discuss details and work together. Talk about it like you have been waiting for this moment to come. You may write something like, "We are open to discussing the details of this affiliation further, and exploring how we can work together effectively." If you see, in the provided letter, this paragraph states the sender's openness to further discussion and meetings. The writer here added, "Our team is enthusiastic about the potential collaboration." And the writer's team also looks forward to the possibility of partnering with the recipient's company, which is Gulf Coast Environmental Coalition. The letter here is very well written, and sure you can copy the template. In the fifth paragraph, ask the recipient to consider and contact you. Simply, you can write, "Please let us know if you are interested in discussing this proposal further." And let the recipient set the time and place. It is inappropriate if you are the one who set the settings, since you are proposing, and the recipient's company is the one who decides. If you don't know what to write, you may copy this. "We are available at your convenience, and would welcome the opportunity to meet and explore potential avenues for collaboration." After that, thank the recipient in anticipation. This is a must in every business letter. Here, you need to thank the recipient for considering the proposal and express his anticipation. Simply write, "Thank you for considering our proposal for affiliation." The writer here expresses gratitude for considering the affiliation proposal and anticipates a response. And you can try to do the same by writing, "We eagerly await your response and the opportunity to work together toward our shared objectives." Finally, the closing and sender's signature part. Here, you can close the letter politely and includes the sender's signature. In the provided letter, this is, "Sincerely, Puff Johnson, Executive Director, Bayou Conservation Alliance." You can also add your contact information like phone number and email address. The recipient will need them to contact you immediately about this proposal. So, that's how you write an affiliation letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.